YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Well, some of you may not or may know, depending on if you've seen any of my earlier videos, I lost about 60 pounds. And my hats don't fit me anymore. So here's a little trick. If you got a cowboy hat a little bit too big, if you get a good deal on one that's a little bit too big, go out, get yourself some of this rubberized foam weather strip. Any home center, probably Walmart, any of that kind of stuff. Basically, you just take this, and it's got a sticky side on it. And after you peel this off, this isn't sticky here. This is dog going through the dog door. This is just a foam. It's not sticky, but on this side it's sticky. So you flip up your inside of your hat here, and underneath that, right where that rides, you're going to want to take and just put that foam all the way around inside there. Now, depending on how big it is, you may be able to get away with just putting a little up front and a little in the back, and maybe not have it on the sides. You'll have to kind of decide for yourself on how much you need and don't need there. A little bit wrong there. I'm trying to do this without getting in the way of the camera here and failing miserably. But I've done this to a couple of my hats and it really does work. Here we go. And honestly, I'll do it around, you go around, but that's a little early on me, so I'm going to around, it don't need that much. And once you're around, take scissors, get up in there. It might take a little while for it to stick all the way around good, or it might, like I think on this one, the problem I'm having is it's stuck to the inner lining and not so much to the other part here. But once you put that down, you might have made it a little bit too loose too. There we go. And this will wear in. You know, it's going to start out, it's going to be a little big, or maybe a little small technically on your head, but a little bit puffy, but as you wear it, it'll actually squish down quite a bit, and it'll hopefully fit without falling off in the wind. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.